Now, many people think cloud is only for cloud engineers, but honestly, that's one of the biggest misconceptions. Let me explain very clearly. Suppose you're working in HR team. You may be using Workday or SuccessFactors. Those applications are running on cloud infrastructure. If you are from finance, you might be using SAP or Oracle ERP systems. Most modern ERP systems are hosted in the cloud. If you are a developer, you are deploying applications to cloud platforms. If you are a network engineer, you are building cloud networks using AWS VPCs and Azure VNets. If you are from cybersecurity, you are protecting cloud workloads and cloud identities. Even artificial intelligence platforms like ChatGPT depend heavily on cloud infrastructure. So, whether you realize it or not, cloud is already part of your daily work. Let's see the fact what happens technically behind the scenes. Every modern application requires several components. It needs a server to process requests, it needs storage to save files, it needs a database to store information, it needs networking to connect users, it needs security controls to protect data. Cloud providers offer all these services as ready-made building blocks. Instead of spending months to build an infrastructure, organizations can start using these services within a minute. That's why businesses can innovate faster, launch products faster, and scale globally. A startup with 10 users today can support millions of users tomorrow using cloud resources. And this is exactly why cloud is not just an IT technology, it's a business enabler. When you are in HR, SAP, finance, manufacturing, development, security, or infrastructure, cloud is influencing the way you work. That's why this workshop is called Cloud for Everyone. Thank you.